Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing weekend. Today we're gonna have some Jerseymikes, and I went ahead and got my favorite Jerseymike sub. Oh man, this sub is delicious, guys. We have the Club Supreme, and guys, I don't know about you guys, but I think Jerseymikes makes the best sandwiches. They're just so amazing. And I'm not even lying. Look, Jerseymikes. This is why I love Jerseymikes, because they pack it up. Look at this, guys. And then I also get those, the chili, what's it called, Mia? The red chili.
It's like
I don't know, it's like a chili paste that they put on it. Oh, it's so amazing. And I always get it Mike's way. Always, guys. Trust me.
It's almost like a relish.
Mm. Mm.
It's so good.
Mm. I'm so hungry, guys. Wow. This thing never disappoints. Look at all the meat and bacon they put, guys. They pack it up, they don't play around. It's bomb, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And I love my sea salt and vinegar chips. These are the best, guys. They put oil and vinegar too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is so good.
This is by far your favorite sandwich, please?
Mm.
I think if you get it Mike's way, they put mayo, lettuce, tomato, oil, vinegar, and then I think they put oregano too.
Mm.
Oh, and onions.
This is so good. I love all the meat they put, guys. They just stuff it with meat. They're not afraid to give you your money's worth. Mm. Mm. Mm.
Wow.
They're so good.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'll go Jerseymikes.
Dude. I've never seen a sub this big. Like, they're giant. This thing is like huge. It's like the size of my arm. Mm. Mm. They're so good.
You love salt and vinegar chips, huh?
Those kettle cooked salt and vinegar chips, guys. I love those. Those things are my favorite and dangerous because I can mess up a whole bag like crazy. So, guys, they opened up a Dutch Bros on Eastvale, which is like 10 minutes from where we live. And we're so excited. We're like, oh, let's go check it out because we love it. Especially when we go to Vegas.
We normally, we'll normally have it only when we go to Vegas or like if we drive up the hill to like Victorville. Where is it? Is it in Victorville or is Perry?
It's somewhere up the hill. Yeah. Which is, boom, boom, we get there. Anyways, so we get there and then probably like a block, if I'm not mistaken, a block and a half before getting to Dutch Bros.
There's a sign. There was like a big sign that said, oh, like Dutch Brothers, like stay on the right lane. Yeah. And I was like, why do they have a sign like so far out? You know?
and I was like, and then to our right, we seen like this line that literally descended all the way from, probably like a block and a half, till we get to Dutch Bros. And I was like, I am not gonna wait in line for Dutch Bros. Like I love it, it's so good, but I'll wait for the hype to go down for me to go back. But yeah, we went back. We went around to see if it was Dutch Bros. And the line was so long.
And then we were like, oh, maybe we'll just get down. You know, maybe it's just a drive-through.
Yeah.
But no, it was just as bad. Like if we were to get down, it was just as bad.
Look at this, guys.
They also have one in Yucaipa, but that's further from us.
I like that. This rosemary bread. It's like a rosemary cheese bread that they put, and it's so good. This bread is... trust me, the Club Supreme, Mike's Way with the chili paste and this bread. Oh, it's so good.
Their original Italian sub is pretty good too.
It is, but this is my favorite though.
Yeah.
I was craving this all day. And we had to go to 2 Jerseymikes to be able to get my sandwich.
Yeah, it was a mission to get your sandwich.
It was. Like the first place, though.
The first place, they close at 9, right? And we get there, I understand, like, if we get there, like, at 8:55 or something like that. But we probably got there, like, 45 minutes before their closing time. I trust me, I worked at Scissor, and I used to have people come in, like, last minute. But we didn't. It was still a decent amount of time.
It was like 8:05.
And the girl in there was like, no, you can't. I'm already cleaning the grill. I have no onions, no pickle. I was like, no. But we went to another one. We were able to get it, so I'm good. Tony said baby. What's up, Tony? In peace?
Is he bugging you?
This is gonna be the shakiest video ever. Say baby, so good boy. I felt something hard in the sub, and I thought it was like a stem of something, and it was a piece of bacon. This is too good, guys. Our babies go crazy for food. Ooh. I was so hungry, guys. I was starving.
I can't believe you ate the whole thing.
Yeah, he did.
I was really hungry, dude. I wasn't kidding today. When I was saying I was hungry, guys. But and the chips. I'm just gonna snack on chips after this. Why are you guys looking at me? They're just staring at me, guys. They're being weirdos. But that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Love you guys. Peace.